invite you back to this space. As you might notice, it's a very interesting one.
I do. Did you have something pre-planned, pre-proposed that you would like to talk about today?
Yes, a very unknown topic. It's death, and how those that have lived cross over, and what that means to those who still wander.
For all those who wander, not all are lost. Perhaps, maybe only forgotten.
I've had many experiences with death, from the time I was born to the people that I've lost and the people that I've loved. It never comes when you want it to. It happens at a moment's notice. In a moment's notice. And as soon as you think you're ready, you crumble. Is this life? Is this love?
In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth.
Yeah, look, I've been down before in the gutter, stuck in the shutter, trying to fly away inside the rain, but it seems my wings don't work when they got this gunk stuck up on them. Can you send a friend, a fellow to mellow? They come up, trying to live till the sun up, going past the past, got the gun up, going to the temple. It's simple, just squeeze. I said, please, Sergeant, can you say yeah? Finally I'm mad. I'm begging for it, praying for it, I'm down up on my knees. Can you let this life be lived for the trees? Cause all I've ever seen is the forest, feeling like I'm just some tourist in my own body, like I'm human. So why do I feel so strongly, so wrongly?
The Lord God formed man of the dust of the ground and breathed into his nostrils the breath of life, and man became a living soul.